Hey everybody, it's Mindy, and I have a video for you today, and this video is going to be a new experience for me. I am using my new phone mount, my new arm, so we'll see how this works. Yeah, it's different. It's definitely a learning curve. Anyhow, I have a few things to show you here. They are from FGOBY, and I clearly had a theme in mind when I picked these out. You'll see what it is. All right, let's show you what we have. So here is the first one. I couldn't resist it. It is so pretty and colorful. Every single one of them came with this little toolkit, you know, the toolkit, and our drills. This is special drill. But look at that. Look how pretty that is, right? That is absolutely gorgeous. So colorful. Look at all these colors. So you have the big dragonfly in the middle and just all kinds of like this confetti watercolor kind of background. There are drills everywhere throughout this background, you guys. They're all over the place. It was so pretty. It's got 13 different colors in it. And I was like, yes, it's a 30 by 30. It's just a small guy, but it flies. What is my event in April? Things that fly, creatures that fly. Keep that in mind. This, I mean, I have a big canvas picked out for that. But if I could do a small one too, a little special drill, that would be awesome, wouldn't it? So let's show you what the drills look like. All right. We're at that point where the temperature and the weather is changing daily. And it's kind of kicking my butt a little bit. I'm getting congested. I got a little sore throat. And I'm like, please stop. I don't need this, right? Okay, so what do we have? We have some clear. Let's see. Now we need to like hit the zoom here. Okay. Woo, there we go. Clear, yellow, blues, a couple blues, another blue, orange, some greens, pink, really pretty pink. This is black, I believe. Yeah, I believe that's black. And this is a blue AB. That's really pretty. Then we have larger, these yellow faceted, and some larger blue faceted. So that will be really pretty. Like I said, I might try to sneak one of these guys in during my event. There you go. All right, what's next? Well, look what's next. Here we go. Now we got to move this way. See, learning curve. Learning curve. Anyhow, look at that. It just says welcome. Love it. Oh, it says friends right there. I don't know if friends, I might show up. Friends are welcome. But it's just all these birds. We've got blue jays and cardinals and a chickadee and a goldfinch. And what are you? I'm going to call you a mourning dove. You might not be, but I'm going to call you a mourning dove. Anyhow, pretty, right? All these special drills and things like that. Another thing, creatures that fly, right? Creatures that fly. This one is special drill as well. It has 15 different shapes. You see the legend on both sides. So there's 15 different colors. Let's look at it. See what we have. Doesn't look like there's a lot of like special drills. There's a few. I can see a few different shapes, but it's going to be a lot of rhinestones. Lots and lots of rhinestones. All right, so we have red and yellow and a blue and a blue and a purple. There's a purple, an orangey red. This is a really hazy, smoky color. Champagne color, a pink, a light purple, another green, orangey color. Oh, this one has black ABs. Look at that. That'll be fun. I bet you they're going to go on the sides here. Like these are supposed to be trees. I bet you they're going to go there. And we have a white AB. So that's nice. There might not be a lot of special drills, but we get some ABs. Here's our only special drill, and it's some slivers. Yeah, of course. All right. So that will be pretty as well. I don't think there's a ton of slivers, though. I can tell that there's some like right here in these flowers. And that's the only place I see them, actually. So that's not bad. We can deal with that. There's not a ton of them. It's when you get a project that's just loaded with slivers and they take you forever and ever. All right, one more to show you. One more. Don't laugh. Don't laugh too loud. All right. It also applies for the event. It applies. Look. Right? There's my world. Except I do not have a great big red barn. No. But Do I have this? Do I have this? Yes, I do. And I might have these. I might have these because one of our ducks has decided she's going to sit on eggs. So she is sitting on a few duck eggs, and my husband snuck a few chicken eggs underneath her. We'll see what happens. We might have some chicks. We'll see. This has 24 colors. There's a legend on both sides. It has the DMC codes, and all the symbols are letters. All letters. You want to see them up close? I'll show you up close. Looky. See? Picture printed. Look at the little babies. What little baby chickies. Those are ducks. Okay, those are baby ducks. So I'm a little confused. I don't know where the baby chicks are because we've got a rooster here. There's no other chickens except for him. I don't know. Where's the rest of his family? No clue. But look at how these came. Look at that. You gotta love that when they come pre-bagged, right? Do I need to open them? I don't think so. I mean, look, this gives you a nice gradient of what we got. Gray, tan, orange. Look, there's a cream, some blues, rusts, browns, a little purple. I mean, you can see those, right? Those are our colors. And they're in order. Look at the bags. 1, 2, they're in order. Love it. Love pre-bag drills. Makes you just want to get started on a project right away, doesn't it? Love it. Okay, so like I said, things that fly, creatures that fly. That's what this whole thing was about, right? Birds, and a dragonfly, right? Dragonflies will be coming back soon. Anyhow, well, they'll be a little while yet. Anyhow, thank you for sending these things, and I hope you guys enjoy them. And maybe there's something here you will like. I will link them below. And I thank you for stopping by and spending some time with me. All right. I will see you guys real soon. And hey, the first little go with the new phone holder tripod-y kind of thing. It's kind of, at this point, in my way. So I have to figure out how to do it a little different. Like maybe turn the phone completely another way. I don't know. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. But not bad for the first go around. I can get to my phone. I can do things. I can zoom it out. There you go. Anyhow, that's it, folks. Done talking. I'll talk to you real soon. Bye, everybody.